In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use PayPal on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using PayPal as a payment option for any purchases that you make on the eShop is extremely simple because PayPal is going to be a default payment option. The option is going to be available for residents of the United States, Canada, and Mexico who are 18 years and older. So if you don't see this option after you follow the steps that I show you on screen, unfortunately it could mean that it is not available on your region, or because of the date of birth set on your Nintendo Switch, you aren't going to have access to it. Regardless, all that you have to do to access the PayPal payment option and link an account to your Nintendo Switch is first go into the eShop and proceed to check out on any purchase. This can include full games, add-ons, expansions, or even a Nintendo Switch online membership. As soon as you reach checkout, if you met the criteria that I mentioned, you should see the PayPal option available under the default payment options. So go ahead, select PayPal, and what this is going to do is warn you that you have to link a PayPal account to your Nintendo Switch. So, if you check your email, your Nintendo account is going to have a new notification with a link where you can link the PayPal account to your Nintendo account. So access your email, click the link, and you should see a screen similar to this where you can start the process of linking the account. Once you have the Nintendo account properly linked with PayPal, you can go back to the checkout window, and as soon as you select PayPal, you simply have to include your password to verify that it is you on your account, and you will be able to complete the purchase. It is extremely simple, and as long as you do this process with the link that was sent to your email, you will have both accounts linked, ready to be used for any future purchases that you make on the Nintendo eShop. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish, and you will be able to have a PayPal account assigned. I hope I was able to help you on how to use PayPal on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.